Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, students. Today we are going to revise all the topic as our unit test 1 exam will be there by 12th of July. 12th of July से आप लोगों का unit test first का exam है. So students, till now we have done with 2-letter words, that is am, an, at, if. Okay, we are done with this. Then at words, and words, then am words, add words, ab words. Okay, this reading portion we have also done, and the last topic we have done is what? Rhyming words. What? Rhyming words. And in starting, we have started this session with the first set of phonics, that is satpin. What? Satpin. So today we are going to revise our first topic, that is satpin. So the revision question will be, first revision question will be like this: write first group of phonics. What is the first group of phonics? What is the first group of phonics? S-A-T-P-I-N. S-A-T-P-I-N. That is S-A-T-P-I-N. Satpin. So, what is our question? Write first group of phonics and color the pictures. It may be like this. Question is may be like this. You have to practice this question. I can give you the question kind of this. इस तरीके का और भी कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं दे सकती हूँ related to satpin. Okay, so we will practice satpin. Students, tell me, what is this? S. Yes. And what is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. This is the first letter of first phonic sound. That is S. What? S. And what is the sound of S? S. S. Then what is which is the second letter? That is A. What? A. Which is the second letter? That is A. Okay. And what is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. A. What is the sound of A? A. A. Then which is the third letter? S-A-T. This is T. What is this? T. T. And what is the sound of T? Ch. What is the sound of T? Ch. 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 What is the sound of T? Ch. This is the third letter. Now what I have to... This is our fourth letter. What is this? What is this? P. P. And what is the sound of P? P. P. What is the sound of P? P. 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 This is the fifth letter. What is this? I. I. And what is the sound of I? E. 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 What is the sound of I? E. E. And the last letter is what? N. N. And what is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? So these are our first group of phonetic sounds. Okay. Now we are already done with the words. According to each sound के words भी हमने किए हैं, है ना. इसी में से वर्ड्स निकाल के मैंने आपको करने के लिए दिया था. है कि नहीं? आपकी कॉपी में होगा, मेरी इस वाली कॉपी में नहीं है, आपकी कॉपी में ज़रूर होगा, बट स्टिल आई हैव show you some words in these. So we are going to make one word. S से एक वर्ड हम बनाएंगे अभी यहाँ पे, that is what? SAT, sat. See, दिख रहा है आपको? SAT, sat. And how will we read it? Sat, 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 sat. Is it? Okay. Now we will make another word. That is, read it. Try to read it. Pat, 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 pat. Okay. Now we will make another. See, try to make words from SATPIN. We are making words from first group of phonics, that is SATPIN. And this is the word t a n, t a n, tan, t a n, tan. Okay. Now one more word we can make here. What is this? Try to read. Try to read it. Pin. 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 Okay. So these are some words from first group of phonics. Our question is what? What is our question? Write first group of phonics and color the pictures. So जब आपको बोला गया है कि फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ फोनिक्स लिखिए, तो आप क्या लिखोगे बेटा? यू हैव टू राइट SATPIN, and I am going to ask you the sounds in your oral exams. For example, I am asking, tell me the sound of T, letter T. क्या बोलोगे आप लोग? ठ. Sound of letter A, A. Sound of letter S, S. Sound of letter P, P. Sound of letter I, E. Sound of letter N, N. Okay. So this is the question. Write first group of phonics and color the pictures. And answer is what? SATPIN, SATPIN. And these are some pictures which I have given here, and you have to color it. Color pencils. Color pencils. So here I am coloring the snake. Snake. S for snake. And what is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. So here I have colored snake. Then what is this? What is this picture? Apple. A for apple. A for apple. And what is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. So this is our first revision for unit test 1. Here is a question, and you have to do this question again and again in your copy, so that you can write and you can do the answer in oral also. Okay. This is pin. P for pin. What is the sound of P? P. P. And this is N for net. What is the sound of N? Okay. So, do this question again and again at home. We will do it again in our Zoom class also. Okay. Bye-bye for today, students.